ang isang ama matapos itong pagtatagain ang kanyang ka-live-in partner, pati na ang kanyang anak sa Tuburan, Cebu.
Sinisiguro naman ng pambansang pulisya ang kaligtasan ng mga mamamayan laban sa banta ng karahasan at krimen at patuloy nilang gagampanan ang kanilang sinumpaang tungkulin para sa isang mapayapang pamayanan. Patrolwoman Blessel Keys Pedoche sa report.
Arestado ng Tuburan PNP ang isang ama matapos ito pagtatagain ang live-in partner at anak sa Purok Lubi, Barangay Maghanay, Tuburan, Cebu, nito lamang makaraan. Kinilala ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Glenn T. Hife, officer in charge ng Tuburan Police Station, ang suspect na si Felix, 69 anyos at residente na nabanggit na lugar. Ayon sa ulat ng pulisya, selos umano ang sanhi ng pananaga ng suspect sa live-in partner na si Leonela, 57 anyos, na may tama sa leeg at balikat ang naging dahilan ng agarang pagkamatay nito. Sinubukan umano awatin ng 33 anyos na anak na si Junior, ang ama ngunit hindi ito nagpatinag at tinaga rin siya nito sa ulo at iba pang parte ng katawan. Sa kabila ng natamong sugat, nagawa pa ng biktimang anak na tumakas at humingi ng tulong. Kasalukuyan ito nagpapagaling sa isang hospital sa Cebu City.
Ladies and gentlemen, I address you today with a heavy heart regarding a tragic incident that unfolded in our community in the early hours of May 13, 2024. It is with a profound sadness that I inform you of a horrifying hacking incident that occurred in Purok Lubi, Barangay Mag-anhay, Tuburan, Cebu.
Matapos ang nasabing insidente, sinaksak din ng suspect ang kanyang sarili sa tiyan. Dali-dali itong inaresto ng pulisya at kasalukuyan na itong nagpapagaling sa Tuburan District Hospital. Samantala, ang suspect ay mahaharap sa kasong murder at frustrated homicide.
The Tuburan emergency responders and the police responders from the Tuburan Municipal Police Station swiftly arrived at the scene and transported the victims to Tuburan District Hospital for urgent medical attention. I must commend the quick and efficient response of our emergency responders and law enforcement personnel in apprehending the suspect promptly. Is currently under confinement at Tuburan District Hospital receiving medical care under police supervision. This tragic incident serves as a sobering reminder of the devastating consequences of domestic violence. It underscores the urgent need for community support and intervention to prevent such tragedies from occurring in the future. As Chief of Police, I assure you that we will continue to work tirelessly to ensure the safety and well-being of all members of our community. For any further inquiries or information, I urge you to contact the Tuburan Municipal Police Station. Together, let us stand united against domestic violence and strive to create a safer and more compassionate community for all. This is your Chief of Police of the Tuburan Municipal Police Station, Police Lieutenant Colonel Glenn T. Hife, at your service.
Ang kapulisan ng Tuburan ay patuloy sa pagpapatupad ng kanilang sinumpaang tungkulin kontra anumang uri ng kriminalidad dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka.
Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako yung Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Blessel Keys Pedoche, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.